Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're here again showing you some of the items that have come into the shop. We really want to suggest that you go to our YouTube channel or to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at all the things that our team restores. Is a pretty interesting things that we have come into the shop. And again today, we have a Louis XVI gilded mirror. It looks like it is very early 19th century, possibly 17th century gilded mirror. It is plaster, gesso, and completely separated the top and the whole crown from the panel. You can see all the pieces here that we're going to be rebuilding. It looks like we've got some inner wire to hold some of the pieces together. The glass itself did not break due to just the strength of the actual frame, the plaster, the gesso, and the gild. And so we're going to be completely restoring this mirror. We're going to be, of course, reattaching the crown. We're going to be reinserting, and we're going to be gilding, gold leaf, and touch up and fabricating of different pieces. So you can see it's a beautiful bird here. It is a pretty heavy, I'm sure it weighs in the 200 pounds range or 250 pounds. Here are some of the back panel pieces that of course were broken. And so we look forward to this being reconstructed and to show you the final results. A massive project. Thanks for watching.